Want to use the same WhatsApp account on two different phones, without having to log out of the first phone? Officially, it's not yet possible to use the same WhatsApp account on two devices at the same time. Well, there is a workaround that allows users to use WhatsApp on more than two devices at a time. Now, let's get started with the step-by-step. Open the browser on your second phone. Search for WhatsApp Web. Go to the Settings, 3 dots in the top right corner, and switch over to Desktop View, which should take you to a page with a QR code. If you get redirected to the WhatsApp desktop homepage, just click WhatsApp Web in the top left. Open the WhatsApp app on your first phone. Go to Settings. Click on WhatsApp Web. Now click on Link Device. Simply scan the QR code from your second phone. You should now be able to use WhatsApp on both phones. You can always start using WhatsApp account on one device, either by logging out from WhatsApp Web on the second device, or terminating the WhatsApp Web session from WhatsApp app on the first device. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.